Alright, well, we got one section cut out here, so I went ahead and drilled out all these little spot welds here, there, all the way around. And then I cut around the whole spot I marked, and then I put a screwdriver under these spot welds. Took a hammer, pounded it out. It's just spot welded here and there. In some places, it looks like I drilled right through the. Oh well, what can you do? But anyways, that's where we're at. Let's take this piece out. Let's see if we can get it out here. Let's see if we can get her out there. Yeah. Look at that beautiful thing.
All you need is at Zorla.com.
Ain't that beautiful?
For doing, like air compressors and tools.
Hey, we'll use that to trace out the new piece of metal, and we'll put it in there and weld her in.
Rapid tape. And these millions of parts are
now,
brands you trust, like Milwaukee,
time to vacuum all this out. Clean up these edges a little bit. And then we just sit around and wait for my brother to show up. LOL. Which is, he says he's going to do this on Christmas. Pretty nice of him. Anyway, there you go. Enjoy.